I just catch you having fun.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reesie Gang down in the comments below. And if you're an OG on my channel, welcome back, babe. I have another video. It is a Saweetie inspired hairdo, because you know I do hair on my channel. If you don't know, now you know. I actually just got one of my old wigs and decided to color it the same color that Saweetie wore a few weeks ago. If you don't know, I'm gonna have pictures up right here, but I was so inspired. I love the color. I am a Saweetie stan. If you don't know, I am obsessed with Saweetie and her style and her music and her vibe and just her whole aura. I'm just obsessed with her style. I don't know. But anyways, if you guys want to know how I created this look, this color, the style, all that, how I applied this wig, then stay tuned. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Alright you guys, if you're wondering what hair I'm using, I am using MyDiva wig off of Amazon.com. I have this hair for about 2 months now. I have an update video on how I feel about it. I have a tutorial on how I achieved that blonde color. So definitely check those videos out after this one. But we are going to use our Sweet Mint Adore color. I got it at my local beauty supply, but I also have it linked down below if you are interested in this specific color. We are doing the watercolor method, which grab a bin, anything. I'm using my trash can, fill it up with water, hot water to be exact. Pour the whole bottle of the Adore Sweet Mint color down, and then we're just going to mix it in, make sure there's no chunks. I'm going to be testing a strand of hair, and as you can see, the hair already turned. So we're just going to pour the whole wig in and make sure it is all throughout the strands. I use a comb to put the hair in because I'm not wearing any gloves and I don't want my fingers to dye at all. So that's just a helpful tip for those that have not tried this before. Now I let it sit for about 5 minutes. I didn't let it sit for a long time because I wanted a very light pastel type of color. So as you can see, I have a little bit of blonde part still not dyed, but that's fine because in Saweetie's look, she did have blonde patches in hers. So I wanted it to be very similar. We're gonna take this silicone mix. This stuff always revives my wigs. I needed some more, as you can see. I'm gonna put my hair in the microwave in a plastic bag and warm it up for a minute because I don't feel like boiling the hair at all. I'm just gonna do it the lazy way, and I just let it sit for a couple hours, wash it out, and I waited a few days, and this is how the hair looks. I think it's perfect. It came out so beautiful. I'm just gonna hot comb my edges down to make sure the wig is flat. And now I parted the frontal and put braids in it so it can be out the way. This is the night before, so I'm going to pin curl it with my olive oil and my Garnier fructis. So as you can see, I'm going to curl it with my 1-inch curling barrel. It's a very old one, so I'm missing the cap off of it. That's why I'm wearing a glove with it. I need to invest in another curling iron. Let me know if you guys have any advice on the best curling irons I should try out. But yeah, I'm just gonna pin curl it, just get some pins and literally curl it back up, pin it down. I did this the night before because ain't nobody got time to do this the whole day, okay? So now we are getting ready to prep our hair. So I got two stocking caps on. One is just to hold my braids down. The other one is to create the bald cap method.
Turn that off.
I was too lit. Y'all know, if you watch P-Valley, that was the littest episode when Mirada was performing. I was so lit. But anyways, yeah, so we're just gonna cut off the lace, add our tinting spray by Eben to make sure it blends in with my skin. You can also use foundation if you like, anything that just matches your skin complexion. And then I'm using this new new wig glue. I'll have a link below because I don't really know the name of it, but it was at my beauty supply. I like trying new glues out, by the way. And just to let you know, I did do 3 layers and let it dry before I applied this wig. And now we're just going to apply this lace to my skin and use my comb to secure it. I'm also going to go in with my blow dryer and make sure the glue is dry before I use my elastic band. As you can see, I'm parting my edges out first and braiding it up to get it out the way, and then I'm going to use my elastic band to just secure the lace for now. And while that's melting, I'm going to use my wax stick and my Kendra Boutique flat iron with my little shiny stuff. Be careful with doing that, you guys. Now that the lace is melted into my skin and I'm just, pressing my edges to make sure it is nice and smooth, we're going to cut our edges and form them. I wanted the dramatic edges look with the little curl and all that, but I don't think it came out the way I wanted to, so I did have extra out edges. You don't have to do this step, but I did it anyways. I put 3 wraps around it while I continue to finish curling my hair. So if you remember how I braided my frontal part, now I'm gonna curl the frontal part now that it's on my head because I want it to be as flat as possible. So now I'm gonna pin curl the frontal, and as you can see, I'm curling away from my head, but with Saweetie's hairstyle it was towards the head, or not towards the head, but it was like a flip over type of thing going on. I didn't really like it. I wanted that nice little layered fresh press look. I feel like this hair would turn out so good if it was brand new. This is just an old wig, so it didn't come out how I really wanted it to, but I still feel like it came out beautiful for it to be 2 months old in a 613 hair from Amazon. So I think it did pretty good, but I'm gonna try this style again with some nice higher quality blonde hair. I definitely recommend that if you guys want this look to last a very, very long time. So as you can see, after the curls cooled, I'm just gonna unpin the pins, comb my hair through it. It's looking real frizzy, but I'm gonna fix that. So I get a wide tooth comb, try to shape it, and then I'm gonna layer it with a eyebrow razor to shape my face. I basically keep doing that and just combing the hair and combing the curls out to make sure it's just, flowing really good. That's basically it. That's how I styled this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's not one of my best, but it still came out super cute. I think I got a lot of comments on it, so let me know down below, you guys. Thank you so much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below if I pulled this off or it was just a complete fail. I don't know. I think I pulled it off. I think I look cute. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Love you. Mwah.